Welcome back to another Wednesday edition of Whiskey and Washers. Ooh, that's stuck in there a little bit. That's right. I'm Ryan, your host. I'm drinking Evan Williams 1783. See it? There it is. And been drinking it all night. So I appreciate you joining me. If you have seen any of the other episodes, last episode, you probably should check it out. Tied my record for quickest amount of throws to 50 points. Took me 31 washers to get to 50. So that's why I'm here tonight. Trying to break that record. Oh, that record was just set this week. So hopefully you'll see me take that down. We'll see. We'll see. Oh.
Double dating, double dipping, double feature, double header, double whammy. You know, basically double or nothing.
You earn
That went in.
Discover Cashback Match. See terms at discover.com/credit card.
Goodness sakes, just a little long on all those. Well, not all of them. Too many of them. Long and short of it. God, great lines. They all had a chance, but just that one in. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 points that first round. Dang it, that's a little disappointing. 8 points is that point right there. Yep, you see it. Yeah, a little disappointing. Gotta have all good rounds to break records. I mean, that's how that works. But I am enjoying my 1783 from Evan Williams. It's a Heaven Hill product. It hits pretty good, I'll be honest. I've had quite a bit of it tonight. You might be able to tell. But it still tastes good after this many drinks, so. That's in. That's in. Oh, long. That's in. That's in. Oh, just short. Get up there. Just short again. See? Throw's still good. I don't care. Speech may not be good. Intoxication, definitely high up on the Richter scale. 4 in. That's 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 8. It's 35. Oh no, 25. My apologies. 25. Which is, sorry. That point right there. I promise that's 25. That's right. Oh, so that was my second round. Hold on. Yeah, that was, okay. All right. Hopefully my math is right. Seems off for some reason, but you know what? A lot of bourbons in. Math can be a little tricky. Ooh-wee. Bourbon not tricky. Math a little tricky. All right. I'm at 25, so I had 8 and 17. So 18 washers thrown, 25 points. That's not bad pace. Not a bad pace. The record is 31 washers to get to 50 points. That's in. See if I can do that again. 2 in. Just deep. Just off. That's off. Just deep. Just deep. Oh, that went in. Dang it. Hovered around it. Could have been better. I'm not sure what it ended up being, but it could have been better. So that's 9 points for 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 13 plus 25 is 38. 38. No records to be found this time. Nope. Because I still need to get to 50. That's 12 points, right? 38 plus 12 is 50. And my record to get to 50 is 31 washers. So even if I make them all, I only tie the record, which I actually did last game. So, yes. Hey, maybe 2 in a row. I'll just keep knocking on that door. Maybe I can knock it down. All right, let's see how many. I need 12. Let's see how fast. Posture is important. That's more to remind me than you, but remember that. Just missed. Yep, I need 12. 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12. Oh, 13. That's right. I'll show you. Yeah, don't just trust me. Trust me. 1783 is pretty good. I need a 12. Looks like 3 in. That's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's right. 13 plus 38 is 51. 51. Looks like it took me 36, actually 35 washers because, yeah, I had it before my last throw. So that is this round, my all-time record, 31 washers to get to 50 points. Did not break it, but put up a good number. God, put up a good bourbon too. Probably haven't showcased that enough tonight. It's been a washer-centric evening. Beautiful evening, no wind. Just trying to take advantage of it. That's right, and hopefully I have Mother Nature, how do you feel, getting taken advantage of.